So what are we talking about in today's video? In today's video, I just want to share more business ideas that you can start, because I still get so many emails of people asking me, oh, is it only buying and selling? No. So I think I feel the need to share more business insights, so that hey people, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information as always. Yeah, this is the Extra Steps to Your YouTube channel, and as you know, on this channel I talk about business ideas, ways and how you can improve and grow your business. I share passive income ideas, and of course I take you through my business journey. And I also want you to see what life is here in Kitchener, Canada. Yeah, Kitchener is a province. No, it's not a province. Kitchener is a city in the province of Ontario. Yes, okay, that's better. All right, so if this is what you really want to know, if you're interested in knowing me more, like I always say, the more the merrier. Let's just come together and feel this knowledge together, you know. That's what I'm all about, impacting the world with knowledge and information. So if you want to be part of this family, you're welcome. Yes, all you need to do is subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that when I upload new videos, you would always come to watch my videos. And like I always say, please share my videos. Yes, it's free to share, it's free to subscribe. And so in today's video, what are we talking about? What's happening? Well, so what are we talking about in today's video? In today's video, I just want to share more business ideas that you can start with. Yeah, it's true that the old pandemic episode awakened our thought to what else can we do? How else can we make money? People have asked me, is it only buying and selling that we can do as business? No way. Buying and selling is not the only business that you can do. Buying and selling is even the list of the business you can do now. All right. So, but I would not be talking about the business if I don't mention this. I'm trying to see some people coming from the background of a 9-to-5. Some have never done business in their life. Some are just thinking of business because of the pandemic, like, oh, we need to do something else. Fine. So I need to establish this. The first thing you need to see is why. Why do you want to start a business? Okay? Like I always tell people, for your business to flourish, for your business to stay relevant, it must be a solution. It must be adding value to people. Don't just say, oh, I want to start a business because of the pandemic or because of what happened. No. Otherwise, you get burnt out and you pack your load and just out of here. Do you understand? So why are you coming into the business? What values are you bringing? What solution are you preferring to people? Then after you've established your values and you know your why, then look for ways to stand out. You have to stand out for you to be seen. Who are your target audience? Who needs this solution? That's very, very important. Your solution can be to the entire world. Like when I get to talk to people about my channel, I tell them I'm particular about people that wants to start a business, that are lost on what business to start. So I share business ideas, I share platforms where you can make money. So my focus is to people that are serious about money making. Okay, so I'm not just after everybody. I'm not just saying, oh, because everybody is looking for a business to do. No, I want serious minded people, and that's why I go all out to make the research, so that I know that I am giving value. So why are you going into the business? Once your why is established and you can easily say yes, it's a solution, it's what people are really asking and what people want to know, like that is an opening to a business. So that is what you need to look out for when you're starting a business. Are you a solution provider? Are you solving a problem? So once that is out of the way, if you are able to answer that question, and you can go down, write your ideas and start the execution. These are things you need to write down. These are things you need in your execution, and you go into business. Let your ideas jump out of your head and write it down. By writing it down, you know how to go about it. All right, so that takes me to, I think I've said so much about starting a business. All right, so the first business I'll be talking about in this video is drop service. Yes, there she goes again. What is drop service? What people know is drop service. I know what people know, and that sounds more familiar with people is drop shipping. Okay, no, drop shipping has to do with products. That's one of what I will talk about in this video as well. But I'm talking about drop service. Drop service is when you are an intermediary between a service provider and someone that requests a service. There are people that want help with their logo, people want help with their video editing, people want help with so many things that has to do with services, and they just don't know how to go about it or where to get it. But you know where to get it, you know how to go about it, then be the middleman. Start a drop service business, build a marketplace for freelancers. And how can you get this done? Go to Fiverr. This is something you can start through an Instagram page or a Facebook. That takes me to the second business that you can start: agency or consultancy. There are some things you've learned over the years that people don't know about, and you can just help them. And I tell you, as we are coming out of this pandemic, as we are coming out of this lockdown, like, there are people that need a mental, emotional help, if you know what I'm talking about. So if you are good at this, if you are certified mental or emotional health practitioner, then you can start a consultancy where you help people to heal through this pandemic emotionally. You help their mental well-being. That's you could start with financial consultant. So many people want to save, so many people want to invest, but they don't know how to go about it. But you are a guru in that. It's something you've done over the years. It's something you've been paid for. It's something you know very well. Then why not start as an agent? Why not start a consultancy services for this? Okay, these are examples of what you can do when you start up an agency or consultancy business. Anything that you are good at and you know that, yes, this is value that you would give people. Number 3, digital business. You could start online coaching. You could start you can create your own ebook. These are digital businesses that you can go into. Or you could start teaching online, teach values, teach the knowledge that you know that you've acquired over the years, and you just think, oh, after this pandemic, I just want to start a business. Then start to teach values. It could be how to make smoothies. It could be how to start a business of Bitcoin or sales of gold. You know, anything that you know, it's something you can teach. You'll be surprised at what people don't know. Then number 4, create a membership. You can make money from a membership platform. So create one. That can be your business. Create a membership platform. This is where I talk about monetizing your influence. Okay, if you have a knowledge of something and people really need this, it could be helping people that want to start handmade product, helping people that want to start drop shipping. You can create a platform where they would come together and you can bring people in to talk to them about it from time to time, and they pay to be on this platform. You can start with a Facebook group that they get to pay monthly subscription before they get into the group. And please, if you are starting a membership platform, be sure that you are giving values. You're not just starting because you want to start a business. And invite someone every month or fortnightly to come and speak on a particular topic or an issue, and you know, it's value you are giving them in this platform. People would pay. It's something that they want. It's a knowledge or value they've been waiting to have, and you have it just at your fingertips. Then monetize it by creating a membership group, and people would benefit from this. Okay, so that's number 5. Sales and marketing business. Yes, because after I said your number 1 to 4, how do you execute? How do you sell out? Because there's someone good in building a sales funnel, then that can be you. Help them build a sales funnel, help them market and sell their business. That's a business that's the service you are rendering. That's a business that you can start. Like, okay, I'm good with sales funnel. I know how you can sell out on your digital product. I know how you can sell out on your membership platform. Then render these services for people and get paid. So that's what I mean by sales and marketing business. Number 6 is drop shipping. I know so many people think, who will buy my product? Who still ships product from Asia? Who still ships product from China? My God, they're back in business. So it's happening. It's booming. If you go on Instagram these days, if you go on Facebook, so many adverts of new product that I've never seen before. So many products that I've never seen before. So these are new products, and I kid you not, they are being drop shipped. So drop shipping is a business you would want to look into. And of course, another aspect of drop shipping that I want to open our eyes to is, if you are good in drop shipping, then you can start a coaching business telling people how to go about drop shipping. So look at business from these angles. Yes, so don't close the door, open it. Open it, as in widely. There are ideas everywhere around us. All right, so if you are good in dropshipping, if this, train people. Number 7, agriculture. Yes, this is a business you should look into. It's either you are teaching someone how to go about this business, or you are into agriculture yourself. Gardening, look into agriculture, and if you are good in agriculture, you can bring up a group of people to teach and get paid for these services. Okay, so all these are product and service based businesses that you can start. Then the number 8 today is IT support. Yes, if you check all these businesses, they are web based, and we all don't know how, especially when it comes to IT. So you can start rendering IT support services and you'll be paid. It's just for you to set up an Instagram page and let people know that, oh, I'm an IT guru, and before you know it, the business would boom. Okay, so that's the solution. That's something that people need now. You know how to go about creating digital products. Start a business. It doesn't have to be your product. Allow people to create products. So that's 8 businesses that I've mentioned in this video. But as always, I would like you to know, execution is not when you think about it. Execution is actually when you take action, go to work and just launch it. That's the most important thing. Discipline yourself to start. Don't hold yourself back with limiting factors that is stopping you from executing. So across my video for the first time, like you've not seen this face before. Yeah, I know you've not seen me, but you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always come back to watch my videos. And please share this video. It's so free to share. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for your support. You guys rock, you know. Next video you should watch is just right there. Yes, where I talked about other business ideas that you can start. You see it's right there. And more videos. Just go to my business playlist and you'll be happy you did. Okay? Thank you so much. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now. This is the Extra Steps Here channel. This is the Extra Steps Here channel. Yeah, this is the Extra Steps Here. I'm not talking about digital marketing. I'm talking about digital business, so that people out there can watch this video and pick whatever it is that it's so I want people, oh my god, go to my business playlist and you'll be just